observing the breath. So basically, anything in the world, we use it for the better meditation. For example, while meditation is happening, some walking sound is there. Some people are walking. What you need to do? Oh, who is walking like that? One steps or two steps. Do we need to do analysis, or do we need to? Oh, this is walking. Some sound came. Where are we? Self-introspection. Now it's time for observing the breath and relaxing. Of course, any normal sounds is okay. Any big tsunami, any big things are, we just see, and of course we stop them. That's okay. But normal routine sounds, we need to be improvise. Every time routine sound is coming, we need to check, are we with the breath or are we already lost? Okay, that's a self-check. Everything helping you for meditation. So when Rama song is happening, Madam is singing one stanza, one line. After that, music is, the change is there. Whenever any change is there, we can utilize. Okay, till the music is there, can you stay with the breath for 30 seconds? Music is there for 20, 30 seconds. And whenever Rama song is happening, again, till the stanza is there, can I observe my breath? Everything, trigger, checkpoints. Divide the time, divide the pointers. If you do this one division, then you can do much best meditation. Even if you are walking also, for every 100 steps or sometimes every 100 meters, on the current poles are there, pillars or some trees are there. And then if I am walking from here to there, 100 meters, before I take the turn, how many thoughts, less thoughts can I stay with my breath, and I'll be opening my eyes and seeing everything, but can I walk without any thoughts? You can do that exercise also. Basically, it's about thoughts mastery, mind mastery at the end of the day. What happens if we master our own mind? So we realize our original self, that is blissfulness in nature. Satchidananda, self-realization happens. All karmas will get cleared.